So, hi everyone! Level 2, level 3. Wala lang. Pag-usapan lang talaga natin mga bagay-bagay sa ano na to. Sorry kung hindi ko kayang mag-seryoso, pero I'm Brindy Bihuyan and I will be sharing my thoughts about this RRB is finally recorded. So, based on the questions na nabasa ko kanina, it's about how faith, science, and different beliefs might work together in the world we're facing today. So, start tayo sa unang tanong para maintindihan niyo. So, in your opinion, can religion and science coexist, and how might they complement each other in addressing the complex challenges of the future? So, can religion and science coexist? Siyempre, as a religious, basta born again ako kasi. Born again tapos as a medtech student. So, yung buhay ko, umiikot siya in religion and science. And science, okay, hindi. Pero yun. So, for me naman, kaya naman nilang mag-coexist. Na siyempre, yung science, pwede siyang kaya niyang i-explain kung bakit nangyayari isang bagay na yun. Pero yung religion naman, it also helps us kung bakit nangyayari yun. Like, kunwari sa blood natin. Paano nag-flow yung blood natin, ganun. And then yung religion naman, sinasabi niya na nag-flow yung blood natin kasi nga, doon tayo nabubuhay, ganito ganyan. Siyempre, hindi naman make no sense na paano yung naging source of life natin yung blood, yung oxygen. Yun. Kasi, di ba yung science, bibigyan niya tayo ng facts, data, solution. O, yung religion naman, yung purpose, values, guidance. Di ba, kunwari? Yun. Kasi, isipin mo, no? Kapag nalaman na natin kung bakit nangyayari isang bagay, yung religion naman, tinuturo niya sa atin kung paano natin aalagaan, kung bakit ano dapat natin gawin. Kaya nga, pag pinagsama natin yung dalawang yun, pwede tayo magkaroon ng knowledge and compassion about some things that's happening in this world. So, for me, hindi naman nila kailangan mag-away. Hindi naman nag-aaway. Like, yes, they can coexist nga. Kasi nga, they can help solve our problems through facts and through feelings kinemerod. Basta yun. So, bigyan na tayo. Ewan ko ba ito magalan? Sorry po. So, what ways can be employed to promote mutual understanding and respect among followers of different religion, especially in regions with a history of religious conflicts? So, in short, paano na magkakaroon ng mutual understanding and respect sa iba't ibang religion? So, syempre, unang-una, paano mo sila maintindihan? Paano ka magkakaroon ng mutual understanding kung hindi ka nakikinig? So, number one, dapat is magkaroon tayo ng we should listen. Kasi a lot of fights happen because yung mga tao, they only wanna talk. They don't want to understand. Gusto lang nila, they want others to understand them, but they don't want to understand others. So, kapag, if we listen, makikita natin na we're all just trying to make sense of life and to find peace. Kasi, if you learn, dun papasok yung next point, diba unang listen, next naman is education. So, syempre, kapag pinag-aralan mo na yung mga ibang religion, doon mo marirealize na, ay pare-paras lang naman tayong goal and point in life. Iba lang lagi yung mga hindi lang sinasabi. Basta iba lang yung pinanggalingan. Pero yung isa lang may sinasabi nila, diba? Na, syempre, kailangan din natin ma-educate. Hindi, kung like Miss RPS, tinuturo nila yung mga ganun. Hindi para mag-convert ng ibang tao doon. Pero, to give knowledge sa meron tayo. Next naman is yung last is, syempre, paano tayo magkakaroon ng mutual understanding kung hindi tayo mag-work together. So, kahit na yung iba't iba tayong religions, isa lang naman kung pwede naman tayo magtulong-tulungan sa pagtutulong sa mga ibang tao, sa mga bata, ganun. So, syempre, this will build respect natin kasi ay nakikita nila na lumabay tayo. Hindi lumabay, nagtutulungan pa rin despite the differences. So, next naman, letter C is, in era of secularization, wherein religious participation in some places is declining, what practical ways can religious communities employ to attract and sustain their followers? So, number one naman dyan is connection. So, maraming tao yung mga feeling nila, nadi-judge sila, na hindi naman sila belong doon. So, yung mga religious communities ngayon, like, kailangan nilang maging open and more understanding sa mga tao. And maging present sa mga actual lives ng tao. Parang kami yung ginagawa. Hindi ko pala explain yun. Kasi that's yun. So, syempre, hindi lang naman iisa yung mga ano natin. So, kunwari, we're using social media, having youth-friendly activities, and creating spaces where people can ask without being ashamed. So, yun talaga yung mga nagmamatter. So, yun, parang ma-attract na ibang tao. And para masustain nila, they need to pray, care, and share. So, yun naman, first, they will pray for that person. And then they will share yung love na binibigay nila. So, syempre, makita mo, pray, care pala. O tama. And then you will share. You will share what you have, you will share what you learn, and you will share kung yung meron ka sa buhay ko. Through kindness mo, yung service, genuine love. So, syempre makakurious sila dun, di ba? So, ayun. That's my take on the future of religion. For me, religion still has a place in this world. Not only if we use it to bring people together and not divide them. Science can also be a partner, not an enemy. And also different religions can respect each other. And communities can stay alive by being open, real, and loving. So yun lang. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.